Today, you will learn how to select all text in Word, as well as specific portions of text. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, let's see how to select all text in your document. The fastest method is using your keyboard. Simply press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. Instantly, all the text in your document will be highlighted. This means everything is selected. If you prefer using the mouse, place your cursor before the first word of the document. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag all the way down to the last word. Release, and all the text will be selected. There is also a menu option. Go to the Home tab, click on Select in the Editing group, and choose Select All. Now let's learn how to select specific portions of text. To select a single word, simply double-click on that word. It gets selected instantly. To select a few words next to each other, click before the first word, hold the mouse button, and drag across the words. But what if the words are in different places? Select the first word, then hold Ctrl or Command on Mac and double-click on the other words you want to select. To select a line of text, place your cursor at the start of the line and press Shift-down arrow. This selects the entire line quickly. To select multiple lines, keep pressing Shift-down arrow. If the lines are not next to each other, select the first line, hold Ctrl or Command, and click at the start of the other lines. To select a paragraph, the easiest way is to triple-click anywhere inside the paragraph. The whole paragraph will be selected. Another method is to place the cursor at the start of the paragraph and press Ctrl-Shift-down arrow on Windows or Command-Shift-down arrow on Mac. To select multiple paragraphs that are not next to each other, select the first paragraph by triple-click, hold Ctrl or Command, and select the others by, again, pressing triple-click. Now you know how to select all text, a word, a line, or a paragraph in Word quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who are learning Microsoft Word.